How we build today can shape our tomorrow. With the right tools, we can build things that are strong. We can build things that last. At National Hardware, wire goods products are made to stand the test of time. So each product comes with a lifespan limited lifetime warranty. With a sleek and polished look, our new wire goods Storm Shine finish provides increased durability and longevity. The Storm Shine finish is 12.5 times more corrosion resistant and 30 times more abrasion resistant than an electroplated zinc finish, which means it is built to withstand whatever the weather throws at you. That includes rain, snow, dust, and harsh sun. And your annual family water balloon fight. With National Hardware's wire goods, you can rest assured that whatever you're making will endure.